Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to optimize gaming performance on the INFINIX Note Edge. So if you want your games to run better on the phone, there is an app that is created to make gaming better. It's the X Arena app. I'm pretty sure it comes pre-installed with your phone, and all you need to do is just open the app up. This is what it looks like. So you have this menu right here with the games that you can download and the games that are downloaded on your phone. And then, for example, you can select the game that you want to play. Let's say you want to play PUBG Mobile. And you can either download it from here, or if it's downloaded, you can just select the game, open up the control panel, and here you have a few features. So for example, you can change the game mode. So you have 3 game modes, which the power saving mode means that the graphics are and the performance are going to be worse to save power. Then we also have equilibrium mode, which basically will, as you can see on the right, says it will allocate resources according to the game and the performance of the phone. So we'll just optimize the game depending on the battery, depending on the performance right now, and things like that. And then we also have performance mode, which pretty much optimizes everything to have as much FPS as you can and less latency. So that might drain your battery a lot more. Then we also have GPU settings. So for example, you can turn on some of the options that aren't usually present in the game. So for example, anisotropic filtering and texture filter. Then we have touch optimization. So basically like sensitivity, but for your touches. So for example, you don't misclick somewhere on your device. And then we have network enhancement, which just makes the game connect to the network better. And the restore default settings button restores everything back to default. Then on the top of the app, we have some details about our device, like the temperature of our device, how much battery life is left, and our internet connection strength. Then on the left and the right, we have things like the CPU, the RAM, the ROM, and the GPU. There's also a few like fun things. For example, you have the voice filters, so like voice changers that you can use in the game, for example, when you're talking to other people. And then we have settings, we have your account with the statistics and other miscellaneous things. And that is pretty much it. So you can use this to optimize your gaming performance. And yeah, thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.